Welcome to Exhibitor Lounge, sponsored by ExhibitEdge.com. I'm your host and your trade show mixologist, Michael Gray. Here each week you receive simple, practical improvement tips to improve your trade show marketing strategy, manage your budget, and get better results. Well, we're continuing our series on the online management system for trade shows. And last week we talked about creating an event in EdgeLink, or the Exhibit Force program. Well, this week I want to go into the inventory catalog, what it's all about, and kind of how you would navigate or go through it, and what you might see. So let's start with number one. A display house would populate your inventory. So once the display house puts everything into the system, like we talked about last week, where you could create an event, but you can also go in and see all your inventory. So number two, your assets can be separated by categories. So you could have accessories, you could have bag stands, you could have banner stands, and all this would be alphabetical, but it would be separated into the major categories. Number three, you would select a category. So let's say you selected banner stands. So all your banner stands would come up, and it would open up an individual menu of all just your banner stands. So you can really drill down as to what you're looking for easily in menus. Number four, you would see the exhibit detail. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, it would bring up photos, which you can expand and make larger, and this is really good when you're talking about graphics. So you can really, a lot of times graphics can look the same, but you can read the words really easily once you do the expanded view. So then the other thing would be you would have your exhibit and graphic sizes. So if you wanted to know what size that graphic was, if it would fit good in the exhibit that you're getting ready to prepare for a show, and your exhibit sizes. And then you would have your exhibit and graphic types, like portables and modular and custom things. So there's a lot of things that you can drill down to when you go into the menus. Number five, you can also set up booth packages. Let's say that you always have a certain carpet and an exhibit and one banner stand and two monitors that always go to the same show, and that's how you want that package set up. Well, you can put that package together in a menu that you can just select the package. Okay. Number six, the furniture photos. Things like rental or owned furniture. The display house can add an entire rental library to your inventory, so you can pick and choose rental accessories and furniture from their rental catalog, as well as properties that you may own also. Number seven would be just other owned assets, things like literature racks, bag stands, table drapes. So this is how an inventory can be set up in the system, and with an easy menu for you to pick the category and then go inside that and then find your properties. We're going to show you a lot of that on the video. Anyways, as always, please respond with your questions and comments and let others know about ExhibitorLounge.com. Hey, we'll see you next week. Until then, I'm your host, Michael Gray, telling you, relax in the Exhibitor Lounge. Not sure what this one is.